So let's get started. For this decoration I am taking this yellow colored sheet. So first I need this of A4 size. So when I have this, I will just fold it from here to here. Just do like this and make a proper fold, joining these two sides. Just join this and press this fold like this. It's done. So after when it's done, from the opened area, from the opened side, just mark here a gap of 1 centimeter and here also 1 centimeter, and just join these two points. And then you can start from here and mark 1 centimeter. We have to make lines of 1 centimeters each. So I will mark from here to here the whole thing, and here also I will do the same, because I need to make lines straight and proper. So I will just do like this, mark points of 1 centimeters gap, and when it's done, the whole thing is done, just put a scale ruler here and just join these two dots to make a line. A very thin lines, not dark ones. So I have to follow this till the end of this sheet. So suppose when I am done this and everything, and after this I will start my cutting thing. So we'll just take scissors and just cut like this. Cut each and every line, leaving this space till this line. Just leave, and don't leave any line, just cut all of them one by one like this. So when all the lines are made and all the cutting is done, this thing will come like this one. Here everything is done, all the markings and the cutting and everything. So just follow this thing and you will come with this. And at the end of this, what I did, I have just cut this strip, only one, just cut one strip. So what I did, because this is very thin strip, it's not one centimeters one, so I cut both of them. So from here just cut the whole thing, that's it, and just leave it aside. We don't need it, we only need this. After this, the next thing we need to do is take a red sheet of paper. You can take any colored sheet of your choice, but I am making of yellow and red, so I am telling you like this. So when I have this, just mark 4 centimeters. You can make a dot, mark 4 centimeters from here, and mark 4 centimeters from here also, and just join these two dots to make a line. So when I am ready with this, now the glue part will come, and this size is A4 size sheet, and I am using the transparent glue for this craft. So when I have this, just put this glue over here on top of the sheet and just take this yellow thing that I've already made. Now what I need to do is just paste it, just stick it to it. Just take one end and just stick and press, then it will stick properly. Oh, this one is left, it's not cut properly, so I need to cut this small part for the proper finishing. So now you know why I cut this part of this yellow sheet. Earlier it was like this, so I have just cut it. Earlier I just cut it because now I will tell you why. Now you will know when I will do this. You will know why I did this. So just take it like this yellow thing, and because I need to put glue here also to stick this from here. So just take glue and leaving that 4 centimeters gap, just put glue above it like this. Stick this and this and just stick it well. Just stick and press. Stick and press the whole thing properly. So when you are doing the work with the glue, you should have some rough cloth or rough paper, waste paper, because you need to use this, otherwise your hands will get dirty. So I'll just take this rough paper, rough waste paper, and just need to try it like this, and you can push with this, you can press with this rough cloth. Just press it nicely, and when it's done, now I will just cut through this line because I don't need this paper, this sheet of paper. So what I will do, I will just take my scissors now and I will just cut through this. It's still wet, the glue is wet, so it's taking time to stick properly. Just take this and so just cut the whole thing like this. So when the whole thing is done like this, paste it like this, just do it like this, just move it like this towards the backwards, and will now stick it like this. So just put glue here. Take glue and just stick it like this. and in between also you can just press it so that this will stick it properly. And then when it's done, it will come like this, it will be shown like this. You can leave it like this if you want, or what I will do, I will show you to make it look more beautiful. So what I can do is I can staple also from here and here so that it will not go anywhere and will stick it more properly. Just take stapler and just one staple here and one here. And now what I will do is this is done. Make a proper handle for it. On top of it I have cut out this strip and I will just glue this from here and here and just stick it. From one side and the other one as well. So it's like this now. And for the decoration part, here I have cut out this ribbon, red color ribbon one. So I will just take glue again, this glue only, it will work fine, and just glue the whole ribbon like this. So just stick it like this evenly. Take the ribbon and just stick and press it evenly and nicely, and make a round, moving this and it will be shown like this, and I will do the same thing on the bottom as well. So in the bottom also I did the same thing, just put the ribbon round, make a round of it, the whole thing, and it will come, it has come like this. So the whole thing is like this now. And you can hold it attaching a ribbon from here to the on the ceiling like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.